Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Connect. So in this session, we will learn a very simple yet very useful thing, right? So as we all know that whenever we go to SAP IMG Path, right, we type the T code SPRO, right? So the T code stands for SAP Project Reference Object. I'll hit enter. So here we click on SAP Reference IMG, right? Now the IMG path is shown to us, right? So from here we can do our configurations. But now the question is, let's say I explore the path, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company, right? Now let's say I don't want to follow this whole path, right? Let me open one more session. I'm on the easy access screen, right? And I don't want to follow the whole path. I don't want to type SPRO here, then go to SAP reference IMG, then execute the whole path. I want to know the T code for this particular function, right? If I want to create a company or define a company, so what can I do? First thing is I can go to reference IMG path and click create from here. It is very simple, right? But the thing is, I don't want to create it like this. I want to know the T code. I'll simply type the T code here and create the company from here itself, right? So how can we know the T code, right? So as we all know that it's a very huge path, right? It's a very huge path. There are n number of T codes, right? So we can't remember all the T code. So what we can do is, right? So we can come here, right? SPRO, FCP reference, IMG and this path. Then what we need to do is we'll click on additional information. Then again we'll click on additional information. Then we will click on display key. Then we'll click on attributes. So what will happen? Your screen will get divided like this. So what you can do is you can drag this to right and you can drag it from here as well. So now you will find that the last four alphanumeric digit that are appearing in the front of the execution window, right, of every function. So you can use the T code from here itself, right? So for defining company, you have the T code, last four alphanumeric digit, you can refer OX15, right? For defining credit control area, we can use OB45. So let's say we will here. So in this session, what we will do is I'll just take one example, right? So this is a very useful technique. See, we explored the path and we are getting the T codes, right? So let me explore a bit more. Let's say cross application component. Then I'll go to, there is one, let's say I want to create a business place, general application function, then your nota fiscal, CNPJ business place, and define business place, right? So here it is not showing that particular T code, but in most of the transaction, you'll find the last four alphanumeric digit as the T code, right? So let's say we had executed. So from here, let's say we want to maintain consolidation business area, right? So the T code for this is OCC1, right? This is the T code OCC1. What I will do is I'll just create one more session and I will type the T code OCC1 and I'll hit enter. So from here, I can click on new entries and I can create the consolidation business area. So this is how we make use of this technique, right? We can get to know the T codes of various functions that are available in the configuration path. So I hope this is useful and it will be of use to you in future. So that is all in this session. Thank you so much.